The plantar fascia is a crucial part of your foot and ankle. It is a thin extended ligament at the bottom of the feet that prevents the collapse of the foot arch. Plantar fasciitis refers to the inflammation of the plantar fascia due to various reasons, such as tight calf muscles, overuse in types of walking surfaces, repetitive motion, a job that requires standing for extended periods, soft shoes, and increased body weight. Sometimes biomechanical issues causing poor foot function may worsen the condition. The main symptom of plantar fasciitis is heel pain. Ignoring plantar fasciitis leads to chronic heel pain, resulting in knee, foot, hip, or back problems that impede your regular activities. You may wonder how to get rid of plantar fasciitis fast. Here is a list of self-care tips to treat inflammation. Number 1. Take plenty of rest. Taking rest is the foremost part of healing plantar fasciitis. Excess pressure on the foot or repetitive use can injure your plantar fascia ligament. Physicians may suggest eluding some activities that increase strain on feet, such as running or barefoot walking on hard surfaces. Number 2. Wear proper shoes. Sometimes wearing inappropriate shoes or exerting yourself too much flares up plantar fasciitis. The excess pressure on your feet without proper arch support or padding causes stress on your plantar fascia. Wearing too tight, pointy-toed, or high-heeled shoes may also aggravate the condition. Invest in the right pair of shoes with the perfect size, shape, and well fit for your foot to get rid of plantar fasciitis. Moreover, your footwear must contain cushioned soles with arch supports that evenly distribute pressure across your toes and foot. Number 3. Applying ice on toes and heels. Ice massages, ice baths, or ice packs effectively promote healing and relieve plantar fasciitis pain. Wrap an ice cube in a piece of cotton or towel to make an ice pack and rub over the infected area for 15 minutes thrice a day. Else, you can soak your feet in an ice bath. Limit the session of ice baths to 10 minutes. Number 4. Plantar fasciitis exercises and stretches. Manual physical therapy and low-impact exercises are the fastest methods to recover from plantar fasciitis. Physical therapists may suggest a few stretches and massage techniques on your foot and calf muscles. Number 5. Towel stretch exercise. Towel stretch exercise rebuilds ankle stability and strengthens the tissues along your foot sole. Sit on the ground with straight knees and extended legs. Place a curling towel around your feet and stretch its ends with each hand towards you, above your knees. Keep the position for some time, then relax and repeat it. Number 6. Wall stretch. Tightness in your calf muscle can lead to plantar fasciitis pain. Foot and calf stretch helps relieve pain and improves muscle strength and flexibility in the foot. Stand parallel to a wall, placing your hands on it and feet firm on the ground. Keep the inflamed knee stretched and the other knee a bit bent forward. Hold the stretch for a few seconds and relax. Continue the exercise several times and repeat it thrice a week. Number 7. Rolling stretch. Try an alternative of ice massage with a bottle of frozen water by rolling beneath your feet. Icing constricts blood vessels, which helps relieve swelling and inflammation-related pain. You can also use a ball by placing it under the foot and rolling it forward and backward. Continuing this exercise may loosen the foot muscles and relieve plantar fasciitis. Number 8. Foot massage. Foot massage aids stretch the plantar fascia and promote healing. Massage before bedtime improves blood flow to the area and reduces tension or prevents heel pain. Soaking your feet in warm water helps relax the tissues. Apply a little oil or moisturizer on your feet and start massaging the full length of the arch from heel to toe, with moderate to firm pressure, using your thumbs. Rubbing the heel, arch, and surrounding areas helps break down scarring, effusions, and lessens morning heel pain. After massaging your feet, ice them for about 15 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends and family members. Also subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to see our latest updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.